How to make Miguelitos original milk tea. Prepare Miguelitos instant milk tea powder. Miguelitos tapioca pearls. Miguelitos concentrated brown sugar syrup. Asam black tea. In an acrylic shaker, measure 200 ml of black tea. Dissolve 1/4 cup of Miguelitos instant original milk tea powder in 200 ml black tea. Stir and shake, then add ice on the mixture. Shake the mixture for 10 seconds. Grab 16-ounce Miguelitos milk tea cup and put 2 ladles of brown sugar black pearl in sliding motion into the cup.